Now, I've seen you've been on Twitter, and we've seen you kind of going back and forth with like Gail Kim. I mean, is this something that the company kind of encourages you guys to go out and be proactive on Twitter? Is this just simply you guys on your own? Tell us about what you have found, the benefits, whether positive, negative, when it comes to Twitter.
To me, it's nothing that the WWE said, hey, I need you to talk to Gail. Like, these girls, they're all my friends and everything, and we're just goofing around. Like, something that relates to, it could, like, so half the time it relates to wrestling, like the storyline, and the other half is just us goofing around with each other. So it's just us picking on each other because we love each other. Some people take it to heart. They're like, you shouldn't say that to Gail and blah, 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 and they take it so seriously. And I'm like, she's my friend. I could tell her, like, I could say this stuff to her and it's okay. But I do believe that because we have such an active role, like, the way we are perceived, like, we are role models. So whatever we do say, it has an impact. So I make sure to tell people, hey, we're just playing. I either let them know that this is my friend or this is a character. So that people can know, like, when I goof around, they shouldn't be, like, it's not okay to be, like, because there's a lot of online bullying.
Sure.
So you got to make sure to let people know, like, don't bully other people. Just treat others the way you want them to be treated.
Now, back when the turn occurred, I mean, they kind of were presenting this issue with Natalya, and then it didn't seem to go much forward, and there was a lot of speculation that there were some comments on Twitter that led to Melina being off television. Can you respond to that?
That is just so funny. Like, everyone always says, it's because Melina has heat, or Melina did this, or... No, that's not the case. Like, they wanted a different direction for other girls, and then they wanted to shift the opportunity. The storylines were leading somewhere else, and so Natalya and I, because if you think about it, if it was just punishment for me, why was Natalya roped into it? The thing is that the storylines had to go, were headed in a different direction, so we had to be pushed back, and that's the way it goes sometimes. It happens to everybody. It's just not just me. So it wasn't anything specific, and it wasn't because of Twitter, because I've been on Twitter for a while now, so it wasn't because of that.
And
it's just, that's the way it went.